Getting the error code 0x80070103 when updating your Windows PC? Here are 4 ways to fix this issue. This is the Windows Club. As the error suggests, the install error 0x80070103 is a Windows update error that can happen due to incompatible driver versions. It can also occur if Windows gets confused due to identical hardware available on your system, or if the driver you are trying to update is under use by any other program. Let's get started. Method 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows has different built-in troubleshooting features on which you can rely to eliminate various problems. To use the troubleshooter, follow these steps. Launch the Settings menu by pressing Windows plus I shortcut key. Tap on the system option present on the left panel of the screen. Now choose Troubleshoot. From the following window, click on Other Troubleshooters. Tap on the Run option present next to Windows Update. This will begin the Windows Update troubleshooting. Once the process is complete, restart your system and try to download the update. Check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, try the next solution. Method 2. Flush the software distribution folder. All the Windows Update files are temporarily stored in the software distribution folder. But by any chance, if these files get corrupted, you will face the mentioned error code. To solve the problem, you will have to delete the software distribution folder. To begin with, you will have to stop the Windows Update services. For this, open Command Prompt in Administrator mode. Type the below mentioned commands and press Enter. Net stop WUAU serve, net stop crypt SVC. Now open File Explorer, navigate to C:\Windows and locate the software distribution folder. Delete the folder. Next, open Command Prompt again in Administrator mode. Type the below mentioned commands and press Enter. It will start the Windows Update service. Net start crypt SVC. That's it. Now restart your system and check if the problem persists. If yes, try the next solution. Method 3. Install the offered drive and optional update. Having tried the above 2 steps, you may try installing the updates. To install driver and optional updates in Windows 11, the procedure is as follows. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, select the Windows Update tab from the list on the left-hand side. In the Windows Updates tab, click on Advanced Options. Under the Additional Options menu, you would find Optional Updates. Click on it and select the updates you wish to download. Method 4. Hide the update. In some instances, the Windows Update error code 800700103 is displayed if you try to install a device driver already installed on your PC, or if the driver you are trying to install has a lower compatibility rating than the one you have already installed on your Windows computer. If you receive Windows Update error 0x80070103 while installing updates, you might be trying to install a driver that is already installed on your computer, or a driver that has a lower compatibility rating than one you already have installed. If you still need to install the driver, you will need to manually install it by downloading it manually from the manufacturer's website. Else, this issue can be safely ignored if this applies to a driver. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.